Welcome to this tutorial on the new Marriott Bonvoy points redemption process. As a loyalty program member, understanding how to redeem your points effectively is crucial to maximizing the value of your rewards. In this guide, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of redeeming your Marriott Bonvoy points. First, you need to log in to your Marriott Bonvoy account on the official website or mobile app. Once you are logged in, navigate to the redemption page where you can explore various redemption options. Marriott Bonvoy offers a wide range of redemption options including free nights, room upgrades, and experiences. To redeem your points for free nights, select the hotel and dates of your stay, and then choose the room type. The number of points required for a free night will vary depending on the hotel category and the time of year. Marriott Bonvoy has a dynamic pricing system, which means that the number of points required for a free night can change over time. In addition to free nights, you can also redeem your points for room upgrades, which can provide a more luxurious experience during your stay. To redeem points for a room upgrade, select the hotel and dates of your stay, and then choose the upgrade option. The number of points required for a room upgrade will depend on the hotel category and the type of upgrade. Marriott Bonvoy also offers a variety of experiences that can be redeemed with points, such as dining and spa treatments. To redeem points for experiences, navigate to the Experiences page and select the experience you are interested in. The number of points required for an experience will vary depending on the type and location of the experience. To get the most value out of your points, it is essential to understand the Marriott Bonvoy points chart, which outlines the number of points required for free nights and upgrades at different hotels. You can find the points chart on the Marriott Bonvoy website or mobile app. In summary, redeeming your Marriott Bonvoy points is a straightforward process that can be completed online or through the mobile app. By understanding the different redemption options and the points chart, you can maximize the value of your rewards and enjoy free nights, room upgrades, and experiences at Marriott hotels around the world. Remember to always check the Marriott Bonvoy website or mobile app for the latest information on redemption options and point values.